Your hair looks crazy.
And a little hat for Lucy.
What about these?
Alright. So that's our crazy Olive Garden story.
This thing is really heavy, but I can still hold it. It doesn't really feel heavy for me because I have big hands. We are going to be going to the library, and then we are going to go pick up our camera. So
Go buy our new camera.
yeah.
So this will look 1,000 times better tomorrow.
Yeah.
Why are you staring at my thingy? My computer.
Crazy.
I still don't know what to name yesterday's vlog. What do you think we should name it?
Colorful worst Easter egg.
Because your dad do really bad at picking colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I was thinking about calling it Kool-Aid dyed eggs fail. Do you think that sounds good?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a fail. All right.
Sorry.
My wolf here is like stuck in the window.
His name is Tro, not Trio.
Oh, true.
Oh, forgot the I.
Oh.
Oh.
I'll fix that.
Work on that spelling, lady.
But
Can you tell me why you picked a David Beckham book? Why did you pick this book from the library?
I don't know.
What's appealing about it?
Soccer.
He's like the soccer ball. This is like talking about his life, his wife, his everything.
Yeah, definitely not a kid's book.
Well, I mean, we can talk a little bit about it, but like I don't think she needs like the biography
But like
of
it's
David Beckham.
like looking at how it's for reading for her. It's way
Oh yeah, it's too hard.
to read.
But I don't feel like she needs to know that like the soccer player married a Spice Girl. Like
I did trio. Is that right?
yes, she spelled trio right.
Woo!
See, who needs school when you have Minecraft?
Yes.
Is there a kid back there? Hey, where are we going?
To pick up a camera.
Where are we going first? What? We're
I
going
don't know where we're going.
to the library.
We need to pay attention.
What kind of books are you gonna get?
Too.
Oh yeah, sunglasses. Sunglasses are on point. Ooh, yours are so stylish.
Now I'm a sunglasses on.
Nice. Gator. Where are we?
At the library.
Cool. Cool. All right, let's go. Oh, I have all the books in my. Okay. Ooh. I think it's funny when you go to the library, you're here for like 45 seconds.
Yeah.
You were a girl on a mission. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what books we find. Your hair looks crazy.
Miss Green again?
Nice.
And Frozen.
Frozen, nice choice.
Frozen again.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Awesome choices. Are you excited to read?
Yeah.
So we're crazy and we decided, like, we've been, oh my gosh, how many restaurants did we decide we were going to go to?
Probably about 15.
We have no idea where we wanted to eat. So we decided that AJ's original idea was to go to Olive Garden, and I was just like, whatever, because it's closer than Chipotle, and breadsticks actually do sound good.
Yes.
So, we're gonna go to Olive Garden, and the funny story about this Olive Garden that we probably shouldn't tell you while we're in the Olive Garden is, Allison was really sick when she was little. She had all these problems wrong with her, and she was on oxygen 24/7, including the first time we took her to this Olive Garden, and this crazy old lady came up to us, touched Alexandra, and did the sign of the cross and said, "I blessed her, she's cured now." And then the next doctor's appointment, the doctor said, "Hey, guess what? She's good to go. She doesn't need oxygen," even though they told us that they thought she would need oxygen for 5 years. She like miraculously didn't need. So we're hoping that that lady's there again, because then she'll like, I don't know, give us extra money or something.
Yeah.
Like, good fortune will be upon us. What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I am sick now.
Yeah, well, you have allergies.
Yeah.
Me too. We all
Maybe
sound terrible.
maybe she'll bless you and then get rid of your allergies.
That would be nice.
Would be great.
Alright. So that's our crazy Olive Garden story. It was really weird, but I jokingly tell everyone that that's why she's better. Because that lady at Olive Garden, she did her stuff, and Elle is great. Just a little loud sometimes, right?
Print stuff.
Yeah, there's, I think it's for dogs, but. That is ridiculous. That is insane. I don't think it fit your noggin.
We found Bobby balloons in a little hat for me.
What about these?
And we got these little things that I don't know what they are.
Blow on them.
Oh, they're kazoos?
No,
Not
they're
good. They don't make the
kazoos.
noise.
They don't make noise. They're these things fold out. Remember, you blow on them and shoot out of your mouth.
And then she'll be really mad at you.
She'll attack them.
Yeah.
Is that good for an adopt-a-versary?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll have to go buy her a toy between now and then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exhausted. We didn't even have dinner because Olive Garden was so filling.
Yeah.
And it only cost $23. That's ridiculous.
That was awesome.
So go to lunch
But
at
that
Olive Garden.
Olive Garden old lady didn't show up. Fun day. I knocked down all the pins and then all the pins again.
Twice.
2 strikes.
2 strikes.
Yeah.
And you're not even feeling good.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
My voice is going away.
Because
No.
of your allergies.
Yeah, pretty much. That's how I feel today too.
Yeah. It's time for a good night's sleep, right?
Yeah, and hopefully tomorrow I'll feel better. No more running nose tomorrow, I guess.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, and then we'll get to do what's inside this case tomorrow.
We get to play with our new camera.
Yeah.
We didn't film on this new camera yet today because we figured it would be crazy to start out the day with the phone and end it with this guy. We got a
Bam.
fancy little point and shoot, which is like hilarious because we actually used to have a DSLR, but this is way more easy. I got this little case, and then I've got, this is our cool little tripod, and all of it fits in my, well, I don't know where it is, my teeny tiny little purse.
This thing is really heavy, but I can still hold it. It doesn't really feel heavy for me because I have big hands.
I've noticed that the last few days. Her hands are getting so big.
That's why we have to find the bowling ball with the big finger holes.
I know, her hands are getting so big.
Yeah. So I can hold this camera well, but you guys can't.
So what else did we do? We did, we bought some cat supplies. We bought some party
Where'd we
supplies
go?
for the kitty.
Party City. We never went there.
We've gone there once before, I think.
Yeah.
And then we went there, and then we got the camera, and we went to Olive Garden, and then we went bowling. We got 2 strikes, and then we went and got repair floats.
Yeah, then we started playing with this a little bit.
What did you do tonight? Today. Did you do stuff? Work stuff? Any stuff?
Some stuff and things. That.
Your hair
Yeah.
looks awful.
I was wearing a hat.
Well, that's it. Good night.
Good
Good
night.
night.